Okay guys, I couldn't help myself. I really like this EVA foam, I think you call it. I got those boat seats done. This was from last year's boat restore, and I figured, you know what, the dogs ride back here a lot. So this is that like floor adhesive. You really want to wait till that gets like clear, tacky. And then the rest of what we got, I just used to, we'll put in here. Dogs can ride out and not slip out. And just a use for it. So yeah, I'll show you when I get that in. You'll want to, once that tacks up, remove this plastic piece. These are sticky, but I don't think enough to tack down on the golf cart. So yeah, that's it. Okay, I'm installing this now, and I cannot believe how tough it is to get that off already. I mean, it is insane how crazy this stuff is. And I always do the seams on the black strip. I know I just kind of hacked it together, but never seam it there. But any contact floor adhesive that you use for vinyl or like a laminate flooring, this stuff works great for this. This is what I used on my boat, and I forgot how awesome it is. So yeah, big fan. Looks good. I was tempted to do those little holders up front, but yeah, that's it. We'll do more on the boat later. Thanks for watching. All right, Axel, come on. Can you get up here? Come on, you can go for... Oh, look at that. Good to go. All right. Axel, you got it right in the back.
Come on.
Come on, Axel, get in the back.
Come on, get back here. Next.
This old golf cart's a champ. Put a new piston in it. It's been in the water and everything. Come on. We're going.
We gotta go find him. Come on, get back.
Yep. Look at that, Axe. Just for you, buddy. Wanna try videotaping him? Look at that. Let me see him. Oh, look at Ruby. Think Ruby will come on? Come on, Ruby. You wanna go for a ride? Come on. Get up here, Ruby.